Hey folks, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about Python comments. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Creating a comment. Comments starts with a hash and Python will ignore them. So in this example you can see, so this is a line of comment. I'm just going to put hash here, so Python will ignore this line. So I'll just show you one example. I just removed hash, so Python will give me an error, syntax error. So I don't want to execute this line, so what I'll do, I just put hash here, so this thing is now comment, so we won't get any error, right? Comments can be placed at the end of a line and Python will ignore the rest of the line. So as you can see, we can also put comment at end of the line, as you can see. So when you are going to explain what this particular code is doing, you can just put your comment here. So you can see here, a comment does not have to be a text that explains the code. It can also be used to prevent Python from executing code. So here you can see what we are doing. We are just converting this line of code into a comment because there might be some reasons and we don't want to execute that particular line of code. We can just convert them into a comment. Okay, as you can see, multi-line comments. Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comments, you could insert a hash for each line. As you can see, we are just putting hash in front of each line. So this is the one thing which we can do, or not quite as intended. We can use a multi-line string. Since Python will ignore string literals that are not assigned to a variable, you can add a multi-line string, triple quotes in your code and place your comment inside it. So here you can see these are the triple quotes, right? So in between these triple quotes you can write your comment. So basically this is a multi-line comment. So Python will ignore this kind of thing. Okay, so as long as the string is not assigned to a variable, Python will read the code but then ignore it, and you have made a multi-line comment. So I'm just going to run this thing, and that's it for now. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.